That's right, folks. We have the Freaked Up bag from Tales of Terror. And we have... That's right, folks. We have the Freaked Up... God damn it. I was going to say F'd Up bag.
Do you want me to do this?
No. That's right, folks. We have the Freaked Up bag, which is a small bag, from Tales of Terror. We paid for this with our own money.
Mm-hmm.
I'm DREADPOOL.
Death Dealer.
And we're going to do a quick unboxing here, or unbagging.
Because I'm dying to know what's in the bag.
Alright, so, ripped it open. Oh wow, it's filled up to the brim. And this was a $15 little
Mystery
bag.
Mystery bag.
So what do we got?
I got a keychain with something, Tales of Terror, haunted attraction on it.
So, I don't know if you can see through the shine. And then here's their logo. Alright.
I have, oh that's cool, it's like a 3D printed Grim Reaper. Nice. Has a keychain. A resin finger. I got a resin finger. It's flat on one side. It's for decoration. That's cool.
That's a small finger.
I'm not even mad about that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I got a Tales of Terror Haunted Attraction button.
A pin.
Oh, another one. See you in the fog. See you in the fog.
Alrighty. What
Freaks of HHN.
I guess Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah.
Huh. There you go.
Coaster for your car from Tales of Terror. Oh, I got another one for your car. It's a set.
It's a set. There you go.
Okay, and that's it. That's all that was in the bag. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got 2 keychains, finger decoration, 3 pins, and 2 car coasters. Not bad all in all for $15. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Check them out at their new location,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll have everything tagged down below.
Bye.